Alex Hormozi is the king of cold outreach. But in case you didn't know, he recently exited Gym Launch and made over $46 million and is currently now running multiple businesses, making over $100 million per year at acquisition.com. But he didn't just get there from his growth in social media popularity. He had to rely heavily on cold outreach. I've gone through his books, content, interviews, podcasts. So in this video, I'm going to break down his best cold emailing strategies into 4 key pillars that you can start implementing to grow your business. Let's get into it. The first pillar is the foundation for all cold outreach.
The list is still king. If you hit a terrible list, it doesn't matter how good everything else is, you're not going to get responses.
In his book, he talks about 3 main ways to obtain a highly targeted lead list. The first way is by using software. There are a ton of data scraping tools online, and Alex recommends to test and try multiple different softwares and see which one has the best quality leads. However, testing all these different software is time consuming and expensive. So let me spare you the time and trouble. Prospeo is the #1 tool that all the top guys use to find high quality leads. Alex Hormozi recently appeared on an interview with Enzo Carasso in exchange for 7,000 leads that Enzo had previously sent him.
I brought Alex Hormozi 7,000 leads in just under 5 weeks. And in exchange, I interviewed Alex Hormozi himself about cold outreach.
And guess what tool Enzo uses? Upon digging, I found that Enzo is a huge advocate for using Prospeo to find his leads information. Eric Nowoslavsky was also on that call, and he did an independent study and found that Prospeo on average finds 20% more verified and valid emails than its competitors. So if you want clean, accurate data of high quality leads, just head over to prospeo.io and sign up for a free account. The second way Alex mentions to find a list of leads are to buy them from brokers. You can simply do a Google search and find a ton of brokers, and all you have to do is send them your ideal customer profile. They will send you a sample, you test it, and if you like it, you can buy more. However, this option can be hit or miss. I personally prefer creating the list myself because I know that the data is up to date and verified in real time. And the last way to obtain a lead list is what Alex refers to as elbow grease. This is where you would join groups and communities where your target audience typically hangs out. So Facebook groups, Reddit communities, LinkedIn groups. This is typically the slowest way to compile a lead list. But if you have a lot of time on your hands and you don't have extra capital to invest up front, then this is the best way to go. The second pillar is what Alex refers to as personalization and big, fast value. This is where most cold emails screw up.
If you're running an ad versus an email, one is one-to-many, one is one-to-one. Best way to get someone to ignore one-to-one communication is to make it look like it's one-to-many. So you can tell that to your clients.
If your email feels like a mass message, it's going to get deleted. Period. Your cold email needs to be personalized and relevant enough for that person to open it up and be curious about what you have to offer. If you're just blasting through emails and you're using generic templates, no one's going to open your email, no one's going to reply. You might get marked as spam, which is going to hinder your ability to send emails even further. Alex Hormozi puts it like this.
Here's how you personalize. You act like you know them, all right? So the idea is to make the cold outreach feel like a warm outreach. Makes it feel like a friend is reaching out to them, all right?
So how do you exactly send a cold email that's like a warm email? Let me show you how. Your first line should start with something that only applies to them. You can reference their company, their hiring activities, something that you noticed on their social media or blog post, something that's unique to them. You don't want to write things that are too generic, like, hey there, I work with a SaaS company just like yours. You're going to get ignored. A better example would be, I just noticed that your team hired 3 new sales reps. Looks like you're getting to grow fast. From there, you can present a challenge, offer a solution, and then go for the soft ask. But we'll talk more about that in a future video. But do you notice how that one relevant line speaks directly to them? This shows them that you did your homework. The second thing you need to do is ditch all the fancy corporate jargon words. Alex Hormozi stated in his book that once he changed the copy of his emails to below a 3rd grade reading level, he gained 50% more replies. So instead of saying, our AI-powered platform integrates seamlessly with your tech stack, you could say, we handle the boring stuff so your team can focus on selling. You see how that's much easier to understand? And the third step is offering big, fast value. He believes you should give away a free lead magnet that is so good, people usually charge money for it.
What you want to do is offer what other people actually charge for, not offer something so good that you could charge for it. No. Offer stuff that other people charge for.
All these people that you're reaching out to, they probably don't know you. They probably don't know your company. They probably don't know your product or service. So you have to build trust. One of the fastest ways to build trust with a stranger is to give something of value so that they can see you are the real deal. Some great examples of lead magnets would be a custom Loom audit of their business and how you can help them, a mini playbook that you've created that can help solve their problems, or a free trial of your program or service. This is going to make the lead think, if this guy's giving all this valuable stuff away for free, imagine what their paid stuff would be like. To summarize this pillar, make your message feel personal, keep the message super simple, and lead with value. Pillar 3 is about automations to help you scale. Yes, he still believes in personalizing your message. However, he also understands time is money. And some things you can also outsource. That's why the first thing he does is hire a VA.
But we use VAs a lot of times to help find the little tidbits that get put into the email during the data enrichment process.
His team uses virtual assistants to help personalize each email. He now can focus on his business while his VAs does the research. So when Alex decides to scale his cold email campaigns, personalization can be scaled as well, and it's not completely lost. The second thing Alex does to automate his processes to scale is he maps out every single process in an SOP, standard operating procedure. So if he needs to outsource a process, everyone on that team will know exactly what to do. He even created an SOP for the highly personalized lead magnet.
Like when you really start scaling this, like at Gym Launch, we basically operationalize the second step as a separate team. And so that's when you get into like sales ops, right? And so they would actually deliver the lead magnet as a separate team who then all they do, like one guy just makes looms for everyone all day long, and then the SDRs can still just keep banging.
And the last thing Alex does is he's not afraid of using new technology and the help of AI. In his book, $100 Million Leads, he referenced a screenshot of a program called Instantly.ai. This is a all-in-one cold email platform that his team uses to scale cold email campaigns. But remember, automation isn't about blasting more emails. It's about removing busy work so your team can focus on driving real growth. And the fourth pillar is the follow-up strategy. Alex Hormozi says that there are two main ways to get more from your lead list: more times and more ways. Let's break that down. So you can either follow up with your leads more times, so let's say once every 3 days, every 7 days, but don't just send "just following up on my last email." Instead, offer something new, either new information, new context, new case studies, something that's going to be relevant enough for them to respond. Another important thing Alex mentions is speed to contact.
If they reply 6 hours later, you're also speed to contact. So like if you're having a conversation, there's a back and forth, it's maintaining that speed of response.
So if they respond within 5 minutes, make sure you are ready to respond just as fast. The second approach is more ways. So what are some more ways where you can contact that lead? So you can cold email, you can Instagram DM, LinkedIn DM, you can text, you can call. There's so many other avenues that you have to be willing to explore.
Because we hit everything. So we would text, we'd Facebook DM, we'd Instagram DM. Like I would, wherever I can find you, I'm going to message you.
He uses an omni-channel outreach strategy. Some leads just don't respond to emails, but they can respond to text. And the great thing about Prospeo is that you can also enrich your data with their mobile numbers. So if you want to cold call, send them a text, you can do that using Prospeo. And the last bonus tip is pairing your cold outreach with content.
But combinations work really well. That's like content and cold outreach works really well. Content and paid ads works really well. Content, I think, is an underappreciated one because it just takes a long time.
Like Alex said, this is super underrated because not only you're in their inbox, you're also on their feed, which can establish trust and credibility. They can check out all your other videos, all your content, and see that this guy knows what he's talking about. So think about it. You email a cold lead. You give them your lead magnet. They see you on their feed and they're consuming your content for free. They're more likely to respond because now they're considered a warm lead. And there you have it, the 4 pillars of Alex Hormozi's cold emailing process. So if you're serious about growing your business with cold outreach, Use Prospeo to find high quality leads and start applying these strategies. Hit the like if you got value, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.